Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 100 amp 0 to 6 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 115 volt single phase. It's in good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Unit weighs roughly 150 pounds with an overall dimension of 18 inch by 18 inch by 18 inch. It is a single phase unit. To turn it on, flip the switch and Variac controls. Up goes the volts and the amps. And take a look at the oscope wave over here. Very nice quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.